Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a hot fudge sundae.
Yeah, with a penguin in it.
Yeah.
Before we start, we want to give you a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our black marker to draw with and our alcohol-based markers to color with. Now, also we realized that when we got done with this lesson, we forgot the main ingredient.
Hot fudge.
Yeah, the hot fudge on top of our little penguin. So there's a part later in the lesson, we get done with the cherry and then we add the whipped cream and then we draw these lines for the side of the head. That's the part where then you want to add this little wiggly line for the hot fudge.
Yep.
And then you can do the rest of the part. So you might want to pause it after we draw the sides of the penguin's head and before the face.
Yep.
Then you can get that little wiggle in. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the cherry on top. We're gonna draw a circle towards the top of our paper. I'm gonna draw it this big and yeah. Then we could draw the stem coming out of the top and curving to the right. Then let's draw some whipped cream. I'm gonna draw a curve coming down on the left and also on the right to match. Yeah, and then let's draw a couple bumps down here to connect those two curves together. There's the top.
Nice.
Or the toppings, the hat for a penguin. Okay, now we're gonna draw the head and let's draw it coming down. I'm gonna draw a big curve coming down and then we'll draw that same curve coming down. It's almost like we're drawing the ice cream, but this is actually the penguin head.
Nice. Wow, it's like a box head.
Oh, that's okay. Just keep
no.
going. No, I like it. That looks really cool. Good job. We're just practicing, right?
Yeah.
And the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah. All right. Now let's draw the penguin's little beak. I'm going to draw an upside down, well, a rainbow line. I was going to say upside down U, but it's more just a curve. Let's draw the bottom of, oh, that got really big for the beak. I meant to make it skinnier, but we could also add a little smile to right here to divide it. Yes. Okay. Now let's draw an eye right here and an eye the same size over here. Next, let's color those eyes in, and we can color them solid. Sometimes I think it's fun to leave the highlight or the shiny little reflection that we usually put. We can leave that off sometimes. Oh, this eye got big. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. There we go. And then I need to match this eye too, so they're the same size. Next, let's draw our penguin's little flippers, or fins, flippers. We're gonna draw a sideways letter U or sideways letter V. So his little arms are sticking out over the cup.
Yeah.
Then we can draw the curve. I'm going to draw this little flipper coming up a little higher. And then we can draw the curve for the top of the cup going across to the other side. Then let's draw the cup. We're going to draw it coming down, big letter U, and up and connect. Then let's turn it into a fancy cup. We'll draw two short lines coming down for the stem, and then we can draw it curving out on both sides to match. And then let's draw the bottom, curving over to the other side. Okay, let's also add the little different layers for our hot fudge sundae inside. So right here, I'm gonna draw first we'll draw another letter U to match the outside of the cup so it looks like it's made out of glass. This is the thickness of the cup.
Yes.
And then we can draw a little curvy swirl, bumpy line going over. And then let's draw another one. I'm gonna just draw this with bigger waves. And then another one right below that one. And then, we can also add the little pattern on our penguin's face. So we're going to start here and draw a curve coming over and down. We can stop there. And then let's draw another curve on the other side to match. Let's come back over here and continue this curve down and then come further in underneath the eye. And we can match on this side too. And then we'll draw the little belly for our penguin going into the cup. This outside part will color black, but we'll leave the inside white. And we need to color the rest of our drawing too. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Hot Fudge Sundae penguin.
Yes.
And it turned out awesome. Yours is my favorite. I like
you.
those little flippers. And I like how your cup is a little skinnier.
Yeah, it is.
It's a smaller penguin.
Yeah, I love it.
And we also realized that we forgot
The hot fudge.
Yeah, the main ingredient
Yep.
to make it a Hot Fudge Sundae. So we used our paint marker, our brown paint marker, to add a layer on top of the black so that we could add it in after. But that's okay if you leave that part off. You can also add Hot Fudge Sundae coming out of the side of the cup
Ooh, yeah.
and dripping onto the table.
That would be awesome. We hope you have fun drawing a Hot Fudge Sundae penguin.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.